Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. The truth is, everyone's life is a story, but what is your story? It's important to remember that your life is a story. There's so many chapters to you. You're writing it as we speak. You know, you have to decide what you want your life to be like when it's all said and done. What do you want to have accomplished? Who do you want to have impacted? What do you want to have changed? You know, your life is yours. You write your own story. Make the most of it. Don't let other people infiltrate your story. Don't let other people try and change your version and change your book. You're in control. You decide what happens and who you let in. You know, it's treated that way, like as if you're writing a book. If you don't like a specific character, what happens when you're writing a story? You make sure they leave in some sort of form. You would make sure that you write them out. The same principle you can apply in life to your day-to-day life. Make your story more meaningful. You can't live through life doing the same thing every single day and expecting it for it to be exciting. It's obviously not going to change. Put yourself out there. Put yourself, step out of your comfort zone. Reevaluate the people that you have in your life and make it interesting. Do things that you want to do. Do things you've always wanted to do. You can't not do things you've always wanted to do because you're scared of what other people may think of you. You're scared of how you would look to other people. Just go for it. At the end of the day, who you're trying to impress, remember, it's your story. It's your book that you're writing. It's your own life. You know, you need to be able to look at yourself in the mirror and say, I'm doing the best I can. I am the best version of myself. I'm working towards being better than I was yesterday, and I'm not letting anyone get in the way of that. That's the only way you can make your life interesting, because you're living in your own terms. Don't live for other people and don't live in other people's terms. You know, it's your story. Make it interesting and choose to bring people that bring nothing but positivity in your life. Choose to see the good in people and choose to have people that support you. If they no longer bring you peace, then leave the situation or sort it out. You have the choice. You make sure that your story is the best possible story and don't live it for other people. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.